So this is just a real quick rear mic test with the helmet on, no external jack connected, and let's see. See how I've attached it to the front of my visor instead of the helmet itself, because it wouldn't mount with the provided stickers. But it looks like this will work just fine upside down. Yeah, so this will give you an idea of what it's like and what it sounds like. I guess the real test will be on the motorcycle Z sometime soon, so check back maybe in a couple weeks and I'll have more videos.